Monica Perrottino.
And now the end is near, and so I face the final curtain. My friend, I'll see it clear, I'll state my case, of which I'm certain. I've lived a life that's full. I travel each and every highway and more, much more than this. I did it my way. Regrets, I had a few, but then again, too few to mention. I did what I had to do and saw it through without exemption. I went each other course, each careful step along the byway, and more, much more than this. I did it my way. Yes, there were times, I'm sure you knew, when I bit off more than I could chew. But through it all, when there was doubt, I had it up and spit it out. I faced it all, and I stood tall and did it my way. I longed, I left and cried. I had my fear, my share of losing, and now as tears subside, I find it all so amusing to think I did all that, and may I say, not in a shy way. Oh no, not me. I did it my way. For what is a man? What has he got? If not himself, then he has not to say the things he truly feels. Another one reveals the record shows I talked about love and did it my
Bravissima!
Grazie.
Grande canzone Monica, grazie. Ciao, arrivederci, ciao.